Is your Cummins ISX on a streak of failed turbochargers? Searching for answers on why it's not creating enough boost? Poor fuel economy? Getting roughly 15,000 miles per turbo? Identify the real engine issue with your ISX that's causing your turbo to quit after install. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Get out of the shop and on the road with this short turbocharger for the Cummins ISX from Highway and Heavy Parts. All turbos are rebuilt with a combination of quality processes and highly trained technicians to meet or exceed OEM specifications. Our parts are built with hard-wearing materials for long-lasting strength and durability. Our goal is to design turbochargers that will deliver long-lasting, dependable power. Each component of the turbocharger is inspected from fit to finish before being built into the turbo, saving you time and money in troubleshooting and warranty claims. What do you get in return? A like-new turbocharger providing increased engine power, decreased emissions, improved fuel economy, and support from our ASE certified technicians. With years of industry experience, Highway and Heavy Parts has you covered from purchase to installation. We take a proactive approach to avoid misinstallation failures by adding the proper warnings and installation bulletins, setting you up for a successful repair. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. From America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.